Hi guys, and welcome to another video from Traveling Vegan and Frodo. I hope you're having a beautiful, wonderful day. I'm sorry, I'm just gonna put on my sunnies because it's freaking sunny as out here, but so damn beautiful. Check this out. It's just like so incredible. And I've been like out paddle boarding and everything, and it's just like, oh, just like the best thing. So much fun. The water is like solution for so many things. It's just like, it's incredible. It refreshes you, it resets you, it restarts you. It's just so amazing. It is like kind of cold, but after you've fallen off the paddleboard a few times, it's just like, who the hell cares, right? You get all wet, and then it just stays warm. It feels warm. But what I want to talk to you today, I don't know, you know what? I just wanted to share this positive, amazing, beautiful moments with you. I wanted to tell you, get out of nature and explore things and try new things, even if you're being like stupid and not being good at it. Because just trying in its own is amazing and incredible and so much fun. Even if you fall a couple of times, don't be afraid of just getting back up and getting it done, checking it out, seeing what it will feel like, especially like with the water sports. You know, it's not really that scary, right? You're just gonna fall in water and it's not gonna really hurt. It's just so incredible here. It's just so beautiful. Make sure whatever you're doing, you take time to go out and reconnect with nature. You go out and you spend time with water, with the bush. I feel so incredibly like refreshed and happy after this, like on this trip, even though, you know, I have had to work and I have had to like do all these different things, and obviously cycling in itself has been challenging as well, even though it has been fun and it was like heaps of excitement and so much adventure. But like, you just feel amazing. The more time you spend out in nature, the better you feel, the better your mindset is, the more connected you are with your environment, with the universe, with the nature in itself. It's just like the better your mental stability will be, the happier you'll be as a person. Because how can you not love this? Like, seriously. Go out there this summer or winter or whatever season it is where you're watching and when you're watching this video, and go and like just have fun, try new things, get outside, get in the nature, find beautiful shells in and out. It's just incredible. We're like building a sandcastle back there, and I walked off to find some pretty shells to put around it because it'll make it look pretty. And embrace your creativity, because creativity is just like so beautiful, so amazing, and we're here to create. This is what we came for. This is our job. Like, this is part of being gods. Like, we're here to create, and all these like little beautiful things, like these kind of shells that I'm looking for, we've created them. Everything that happens in the world, everything that exists right now, it's been a thought of some sort, and then it came to life. Man, I think I'm getting onto another topic now. But this summer, go out, have fun, enjoy, do new things. Don't be afraid to look like a fool. Don't be afraid to do, you know, just have fun and be a kid. Leave your vanity behind. Leave your just kind of conceptions and ideas, and, you know, just kind of being afraid of looking the certain way behind, and just have fun, enjoy life, and it's so damn beautiful. I hope we're able to feel it and get charged up just from this video itself, just even from watching the water behind me, even if you're not really hearing me or listening to me particularly. Just have an awesome day, you guys. Bye.